Good morning, dear students. As the school remain closed due to lockdown, let's continue our studies from wherever we are. Let's begin. Chapter 3 Growth. In this lesson, we learn about living things and non-living things. Different terms of growth in plants, animals, and humans. There are many things around us. Some of them have life and some of them don't have life. Everything in the world can be sorted into living things and non-living things. Now let's study what are living things. The things that have life are called living things. They need water, food, and air to stay alive. Let's see some examples of living things. What are the features of living things? Let's learn the features of living things. Living things have the ability to reproduce or give birth. They move, grow, and die. Do you know what are non-living things? The things do not have life are called non-living things. For example, ball, doll, chair, the sun, etc. Non-living things do not move, breathe, eat, grow, give birth or die. Have you ever noticed non-living things move or grow? No, they cannot move or grow because they have no life. Now you understood what are living things and non-living things and their features. All living beings grow with time. Let's learn the stages of growth in plants. A seed grows into a plant. When the seeds are planted, they grow into small plants. When the seeds get right amount of air, water and warmth, the baby plants start growing. You can do it with an activity. Take a pot and fill some soil in it. Then you sow a bean seed in it. It should get right amount of water, warmth and air. Keep outside and observe it after 5 days. Then you can see a baby plant coming out of the soil. Then it starts growing. From this, we understand that seeds grow into plants. Let's learn growth in animals. Now let's see how a chick grows into a hen. A bird grows from an egg. When the egg hatches, a baby bird comes out. It cannot fly. When it grows, it becomes a beautiful bird which can fly on its own. Baby animals grow into adults. Let's have some pictures. Let's learn growth in human beings. A human baby grows into an adult human being. Human beings grow bigger, taller with age and develop into adults. This is known as growth. The process of growth is slow. There are different stages of growth in human beings. They are baby, child, grown up child, teenage, adult, and old. I am repeating it once again. The first stage is baby, then child, then grown up child, then teenage, then adult, and the last stage is old. Let's study in detail. The first stage is baby or infant. When the child born, he or she is called a baby. Do you like babies? You may have a baby sister or brother. Babies cannot look after themselves. They need a lot of love and care. Babies cry when they are hungry. As babies grow, they do more and more things. First they crawl, then they sit and walk gradually. They also learn to talk. Let's have some pictures of babies. The second stage is child. After 2 years of birth, an infant grows into a child. A child learns quickly. A child can sit, stand, walk, speak, and play at this age. The third stage is grown up child. He or she becomes tall and strong with time. In this age, children go to school, they play, and make new friends. Now, let's see some pictures of children. The fourth stage of a human being is teenage. It is the age period between 13 to 19 years. During this stage, children often start to grow quickly. When children become teenagers, they are no longer children. The fifth stage of a human being is adult. A teenager grows into an adult man or woman. During this stage, adults start working. The last stage of a human being is old. Many years later, slowly, an adult grows old. When an adult grows old, his or her hair turns grey. Skin of an old person may get wrinkled. Their body become weak. Let's conclude this lesson. Things around us sorted into two: living things and non-living things. All living things grow. Our body changes as we grow. Humans grow from an infant to an old person. Students, here's some exercise for you. Write down and learn them. I read out it for you. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. An example of a non-living thing is chair. Number 2. A chick grows into a hen. Number 3. A small baby cries when he feels hungry. Number 4. When a child grows up, he becomes an adult. Number 5, all living beings grow with time. Number 6, seeds grow into plants. Number 7, a bird grows from an egg. Newborn babies do not have teeth. Number 9, a grown-up person is called an adult. The next one is answer the following. Number 1, define an adult. Answer, a grown-up person is called an adult. Example, father, mother, uncle. Question number 2, what are the features of living things? Answer, living things can move, breathe, reproduce, grow and die. Question number 3, a car can move, then why is it a non-living thing? Answer, a car can move, but it is a non-living thing because it has no life. Question number 4, as children grow up, what do they learn? Answer, as children grow up, they learn to sit, stand, walk and talk. Students, you do this homework and activity related to this chapter. It is to draw, color and label. Number 1, the stages of a plant, and the second one is any two living things and non-living things. Then activity you have to do, collect your childhood photographs and paste it in the order of your growth. I hope you all understood the chapter. You read the chapter and learn all the exercise given there. Do the project and homework mentioned there. I will teach you the next lesson in the next video. Thank you, children.